Hi, I'm Steve McQuivey. I have actually been coming to Keith for probably 10 years with my vehicles. So he has kept me running well. Always honest, always keeps me informed of what's going on, and keeps me with a list of what's coming up if there's anything that looks worn. But overall, I'm just completely happy with the service, which is unusual for Mercedes. I've had issues with the dealers in Vegas and stuff over the years, but with Keith, he's made it easy. So I can't say enough good about him.